Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that button. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. This story is called The Cuckoo Clock. It's early morning and Mummy and Daddy Pig are asleep. "Wakey, wakey!" cries Peppa. "It's time to get up."
"It's much too early," says Daddy Pig. "Don't you know what time it is?"
"No, Daddy, our clock doesn't work," replies Peppa.
"Let me see if I can fix the old cuckoo clock," says Daddy Pig.
"Why is it called a cuckoo clock?" asks Peppa. "There's a little wooden bird inside called a cuckoo," replies Mummy Pig. "I've never seen the cuckoo," cries Peppa.
"We stopped winding it a long time ago," explains Daddy Pig. "It got a bit annoying."
"Can we wind it up again, please?" asks Peppa.
"All right then," replies Daddy Pig, beginning to wind up the clock. "There we go. You'll see the cuckoo very soon."
"What does she look like, Daddy?" asks Peppa.
"Well, she moves her head like this," says Daddy Pig, pushing his head out. "And she flaps her wings like this."
Daddy Pig waves his arms up and down.
"Cuckoo!"
laugh Peppa and George. George runs off pretending to be a cuckoo. "Look!" gasps Peppa, hearing a whirring noise. "The clock's going to do something."
"Cuckoo!"
"Wow!" shouts Peppa. Oh dear! George was so busy running around pretending to be a cuckoo, he missed the real one. "Silly George!" cries Peppa. "You missed the cuckoo." George bursts into tears. "I'll call you when it's time to see the cuckoo again," says Mummy Pig. George goes out to play and soon Mummy Pig cries, "Peppa! George! Time to see the cuckoo!" George runs inside faster than he has ever run before. He gets there just in time to see the cuckoo spring out of the clock. "Cuckoo!" shouts George. "Cuckoo!" cries Peppa. Peppa and George love playing cuckoos. It is night time and Peppa and George are very tired. They fall asleep very quickly. "Cuckoo!" snorts Peppa, waking up. "Is it morning already?"
"No, no," says Daddy Pig, coming into the room. "The cuckoo is not well. She needs some sleep."
Later, after Mummy and Daddy Pig go to bed, Peppa has an idea. She wakes George. "Let's wind the cuckoo up and make her feel better," she says, beginning to wind up the clock. Peppa and George run into Mummy and Daddy Pig's room. They are asleep. "Mummy, Daddy," whispers Peppa, "we've got something to show you. We've made the cuckoo better." Mummy and Daddy Pig wake up to the sound of the clock. "Cuckoo!" Everyone laughs. And that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you soon for the next one. Thanks. Bye.